Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nana Kojosafo. This is going to be a very short video that I want to share with all of YouTube. All YouTube creators. So stay tuned. It is not going to be long. Just recently, or just yesterday, if I should put it that way, YouTube gave a very important announcement that I would like to share with you. What is that public announcement that YouTube made? YouTube, starting 15th October, they are going to extend the number of minutes that we can upload shorts. For now, until 15th October, you cannot upload a short video which is longer than 1 minute. But right now, they are going to give us the opportunity to upload short videos, which is absolutely up to 3 good minutes. So if you have a video which is 3 minutes and below, it is going to be a short. And the truth of the matter is, this particular video, you can be vertical and it can be horizontal. You do not have a problem. So let me read with you. So starting October 15th 2024, you'll be able to upload shorts up to 3 minutes long, giving you more ways to connect with your audience and grow your channels. More info at our official blog, which of course I'm going to leave the link to that blog to you. So your existing videos, if you uploaded vertical videos longer than 60 seconds and shorter than 3 minutes before October 15th, they will stay as regular long form videos. Nothing is changing for shorts that are 60 seconds or less. So your uploads after October 15th that are up to 3 minutes long and square or taller in aspect ratio will be treated as shorts. If you don't want your uploads to be considered as short, you can always upload videos in a wider aspect ratio. So this is what YouTube is telling us. So please get ready. And for me, I'm very happy with this. You could see that some videos, there should be an extension of that so that people will get to know what happened next. But because you would want to do a short, you just have to limit it to probably 59 seconds or a minute. And we thank YouTube for that. Another update that YouTube is bringing on board that I just want to let you know is that YouTube creators, this is what I saw. That is exactly what you're seeing on your screen. Our teams are still working on reinstating the incorrectly removed channels and access to subscriptions. So videos that have incorrectly been removed from YouTube is trying to work very hard to reinstate them, and so and also we are going to have access to subscriptions. We are sorry for the trouble. Some content like playlists may be delayed, but it's all coming back. Thanks for your patience while we work on this. So YouTube is pleading with us to be patient with this particular thing and know that they are going to do their very best possible to make this work. So please continue continue to stay updated. Please like, comment and share this particular video for everybody to also get to know. So this is YouTube giving us this. I'm also going to share this link with you. My name is Nana Kojosafo. Thanks very much for watching, and I know you are happy. I'm happy you are going to be able to upload shorts for 3 good minutes. Wow, YouTube, you are great. We love you. Thanks.